Hey, it's This Week in Forex, Cryptocurrency, and Stocks with Invest Diva. I'm your coach, Kiana Danielle, and I'll give you your 5-minute overview of these markets in just a moment. But before we get started, if you watch until the end and you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to get secrets on how to make your money work for you and grow your wealth, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Let's start with the Forex market. The Australian and the New Zealand dollars both saw major declines with a fresh multi-month low and down for a 12th consecutive day. The devaluation of the Chinese Yuan weighed on the Australian currency alongside with the dismal data were some of the reasons why. But in the US, despite the Federal Reserve deciding to lower interest rates, the US dollar still managed to enjoy a relative value increase last week. There aren't going to be any major reports coming up this week, but we'll keep a close eye on how the ongoing trade war is reflected in the currency market. The Canadian dollar had an up and down week last week, largely attributed to the ongoing trade tensions. Meanwhile, a conservative future forecast along with possible easing measures caused the euro to struggle. Elsewhere, we saw the pound have yet another negative week, which was mostly due to the increased likelihood of a hard Brexit. Additionally, pessimistic forecasts from the Bank of England causing many forex traders to look elsewhere. For example, in Asia, the Japanese yen enjoyed a positive week, indirectly benefiting from the trade disputes within the region. Next, let's take a look at the stock market. The stock market opened the week with a very bearish dive, watching the Dow fall by more than 800 points. Until the trade issues with China can be dissolved, most American stocks can be expected to struggle. Among some of the biggest losers from the week's stock plunge was Tyson Foods, arm manufacturers, and large-scale miners. Foods and agriculture products also experienced major downturns, something that is notably rare for this time of the year. There will be a lot to pay attention to over the course of the next week. Companies tied to the yuan, luxury items, agriculture goods are expected to have a volatile couple of days. We'll also pay attention to the actions of the Federal Reserve and see how its policies are reflected throughout the stock market. Now, after all this, let's get to some positive news, and that is coming from the cryptocurrency market. While the global stocks have been struggling, Bitcoin has been able to turn things around. In fact, after falling from $13,000 to around $9,000, the coin has rebounded and is currently trading over $11,700. If the other global markets cannot correct themselves, investing in the cryptocurrency market may seem like a comparatively less risky option. If you're wondering how you could take your cryptocurrency investing to the next level, or you're wondering where you can start, don't forget to get your free copy of my new book, Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, on investdiva.com. As China continues to soften its stance on crypto and take measures against the yuan, we can expect Bitcoin to continue its impressive value to increase. And elsewhere in the industry, Litecoin actually decided to halve its payments to miners, and that could likely cause it to decrease in value. Samsung's commitment to offering a series of new crypto apps will likely benefit both the company along with the industry as a whole. Other companies we'll keep an eye on this week include MasterCard and Nokia. Amid ongoing tensions in most other markets, the world's top crypto players are hoping to have a productive August. I'll be sharing my personal investment strategies for Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies in Invest Diva's premium investing group, also known as the PIG, on Tuesday. If you like this video, like it and subscribe so that you won't miss out on my next update. Thank you so much for watching Invest Diva, and remember, make your money work for you.